Part B. The same antique shop has a number of tables for sale. Here's the table here. 6 tables between £50 and £100, 10 tables between £100 and £150, and 4 tables between £150 and £200. Calculate an estimate for the mean price of the table then. So the mean price, or the average price estimate, well, we need the total price cost of all the tables divided by the number of tables, don't we? So there's 20 tables in total. So there's 6 of them at the midpoint here. The interval midpoint is 75, so it will be 6 times 75 pounds plus 10 at the midpoint here. And the midpoint for this is 125, isn't it? Plus 4 tables, and the midpoint price would be 175, wouldn't it? So there's our total estimate for the cost. The total number of tables, because we want the average price, don't we? Or the mean price. There's 20 tables. So here's the total amount that they would cost for all of them, and there's 20 tables. Divide by 20 then. Let's tap that in the calculator. So let's have a go. 6 times 75. 6 times 75 plus 10 times 125 plus 4 times 175 equals 2,400. Now divide that by 20 equals £120. Would be the estimate for the mean cost or the average cost of a table. A leather sofa costs £2,400. Each year, the value of furniture depreciates by 18% of its value at the start of the year. At the end of 2 years, by how much is the value of the leather sofa depreciated? So value at end of first year is equal to the original amount of the sofa minus 18% of it. So that's 2,400 minus 18 over 100 of is times 2,400. So we could tap that in the calculator. We don't need to simplify it really. So it's 2,400 minus 18 divided by 100 times by 2,400. 1968. So that's the value at the end of the first year. So value at the end of second year is equal to, we started with a price of 1968 at the end of the first year, and we have to take 18% off of that, don't we? Of the 1968, which equals 1968 minus 18 hundredths is 18% as a fraction, of is times the 1968. So we need to tap that in the calculator and find out the final answer. So 1968 minus 18 divided by 100 times 1968 equals 1613.76. 1613.76. So it's £1,613.76 is the estimate. So how much is it depreciated then? That's how much it's worth at the end of 2 years. So depreciated is equal to, okay, so let's have a look at that then. So it started with 2,400 and it came down to 1613, so take that away, 1613.76 equals, so it's depreciated by £786.24. £786.24.